Hello there. It's an L today. It's episode 12 and you guessed it right. It's lemon. But it's lemon with a twist. So I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 uses of lemon, which you would not have known. We'll start from the hair, lips, teeth, nails, elbow, knees. The 6th one, finally, will be the face. So the first one is hair. If I want to wash my hair in a hurry and I don't have time for putting hair mask, etc., I would use lemon as a single ingredient and just rub it on my scalp. It's a great cleansing agent for. You could put this in egg or yogurt, or if you use henna, you could use it in henna. It really gives it a great shine as well. See, lemon to scrub your lips. I love putting lemon in a bit of sugar. Brown coarse sugar is best. I didn't have one today, so I'm just going to use lemon with sugar. You could do lemon with sugar and coffee, and use this as a scrub on your lips. Great lip scrub. So teeth. I am a big black coffee drinker, and as you've seen in my videos, I love my red wine, so I have stain on my teeth. And because I cannot go to the dentist right now for my polish, here's what I have researched and I do, and it helps, is baking soda, lemon, pinch of baking soda, lemon, mix it, put it on the stains on your teeth and brush. We're going to come to nails. No nail polish, no gel, but I do use a lot of that when I'm out shooting theater. So this is a great time to give it some TLC. Olive oil or coconut oil, any of your favorite oils. This is olive oil. Lemon. Soak. Leave it on 2-3 minutes. Great. And now for the elbow. Now there's a famous Korean saying that you can figure out the age of a person from face, no, neck, no, hands, maybe not, but the elbow. So take care of that elbow and the knees, and whatever lemon gets left in your house, scrub your elbow. It's a great scrub. And now finally, I have finished my coconut water. Put a bit of lemon inside the coconut water, caught it, take the remaining bit and use it as a toner or a cleanser. Really good for skin if it suits you. If you are in lockdown like I am, and I think most of us are, you have no excuses. Be disciplined about being Nutzaboutme. Subscribe, give me suggestions, follow. Love you. See you again. Bye bye.